Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create an eBay listing with multiple variations. To create an eBay listing with multiple variations such as color, size, style, etc., follow these steps. Open your preferred web browser on your PC and visit the ebay.com. Now, make sure you have an account and logged in. Once logged in, click My eBay in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Selling to access your seller dashboard. Click List an item to start a new listing. Enter the title of the product you want to sell, and eBay will suggest categories. Pick the most relevant category for your item. Variations like size, color, and style are available for categories like clothing, shoes, and electronics. After entering your item title, hit the search icon. If your item doesn't match any suggestions, just choose Continue without match. Choose Pre-owned if your item is used, then click Continue. On the listing page, click the three dots in the corner, then choose Variations and toggle it on. Scroll down to the pricing section and set the format to Buy It Now to enable the variation option. Go back to the variation section and click Edit. Now, a new window will open where you can add different variation such as color, size, style, material, or even fictional characters for specific items. Once you've chosen your variations, click Continue. After setting up your variations, you'll be prompted to upload photos. You can either upload photos from your PC, which is recommended, or from the web. For this example, choose Upload from the PC. Choose your product image and click Open. After adding photos, set pricing for each variation by checking this option. Then click Enter Price. If you prefer not to set individual prices, just hit Save and Close. Now, let's set pricing for each variation. You can manage the price for each variation by checking the options. You also have the option to schedule your listing by toggling the scheduling feature. Now, let's configure shipping and other details. Once pricing is set, move to the shipping section. Set the shipping method and be sure to add details such as shipping weight and dimensions. In the primary service section, you can add additional services. If you choose free shipping, you'll cover the cost. Otherwise, you can choose for the buyer to pay for shipping. If needed, click Add additional services to offer more shipping options. Adjust returns, preferences, and the preference section to match your policy. Now, let us review and publish your listing. Review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Review the listing to see how your variations appear to buyers. If everything looks good, just click List It to publish the item. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.